doing some fun virtual tours during COVID-19 closure of the UMLAUF, which will last until May 1st. So, I have a question for Katie.
Ask me, Sarah.
I have always been curious why the St. Francis sculpture is placed here in the garden. Why in this location?
Well, UMLAUF did a lot of religious sculptures because they were commissions for him. And so a church asked him to do a St. Francis before, and he knew that St. Francis is the patron saint of animals. So when it came time to place all these sculptures, it was Charles UMLAUF himself who decided that St. Francis should be overlooking the animal triangle.
Amazing! And look at all the cute animals.